Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change country or region on iPhone iOS 26 to United States. For example, if you want to change your country or region on your iPhone to United States, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, you have to simply click on settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to journal. So in journal, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now, if you want to change your country or region to United States, then there are two methods available. The first method is that you have to simply click on App Store. So in App Store, you have to simply click on profile and you have to click on neighbor Apple ID here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to wait for some time so that this kind of interface is available. So here you have to simply click on country or region. Now, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time so that country list is available. So here you have to simply select United States from the list. So here you have to simply click on that. If you have before this, you have to make sure that you have changed your subscription, because some subscription do not work in different country or region. So you have to simply agree the terms and condition. And after that, you have to provide your payment method. And after providing the payment method, you have to provide the details about you. So in this way, you can simply click on done, and after verification, your country or region will be changed to United States without any problem. So the second method is as that you have to be click on settings, and after that you have to go to name or Apple ID here, and here you have to click on media and purchase, and you have to click on view account here. And after that, you have to wait for some time so that the same kind of interface is available. Here you have simply click on country or region and you have simply select the country. And after verification and payment method, your country or region will be changed to United States. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.